Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparkle Twins. It's me, Maya, and today our topic is what plant and animal characteristics are inherited. Let's get started. Let's start by the characteristics of living things. Characteristics are the qualities an organism has. You can see this pea plant right here. Should we talk about all of its characteristics? Sure. It has green, 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 green. Okay, I don't need to explain all of it. I don't need to explain this part is green, 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 green. I'll just say this entire leaf is green. It has green on it and white flowers. Done. I right now explained its characteristics. Now let's give you one example. For example, you have this donkey right here. I can say it has black hair, bunny-shaped ears, clean teeth. Good job in brushing them. Blue eyes, black hooves, black tail, gray skin. That what I explained right now of this donkey is its characteristics. Now, inherited characteristics. Well, inherit means to receive characteristics from the organism's parents. So now we're going to discuss the plant and animals' inherited traits. Well, the traits are what they get from the parent. You can also call them inherited characteristics, also known as traits. Let's go for plants and animals. First, plants. A prickly pear cactus over here has very sharp spines. They also have a waxy coating around them that helps the plant to hold in moisture. It has spines on it. Wait, I'm explaining the characteristics. Oh yeah, where did the inherit come in? Well, this is how these prickly pear cactus looks like. The cactus looks much like this today because it has inherited these characteristics. Now let's go to animals. Well, this zebra on the right has black and white stripes. Their manes are short, they have 4 legs. I'm explaining its characteristics again. Inherited characteristics. Where are they? Well, inherited characteristics is what the zebra gets from its parents. You can know this as traits. I'm going to call it traits for now. And all zebras share these characteristics. Now, parents, offspring, and advantages. You know that baby animals look like their parents. Like cats give birth to kittens, lions give birth to lion cubs. And sometimes offspring from the same parents can look a little bit different from each other. So now let's see where competition comes. Well, it can be easier for offspring with different characteristics to compete. What is an offspring? Well, offspring is the newborn. Now, competition occurs. You know what? Let's go for this example. You see 2 giraffes fighting, okay? For the same resource in order to live. They are needing food. So they need to get the food. So what happens? Competition is happening or occurring. So they are fighting by putting their necks with the other neck, and whoever wins gets to get the food. This is competition. Now let's go to advantages. Let's see this little example right here. You see these 2 peppered moths in this picture, but you're like, no, I only see 1 peppered moth. Well, this is the peppered moth. You might say, I see it. Well, there's 2. There's 2. Yeah? Look at the picture carefully. I bet you found it. It's right here. Why didn't you see it? Well, it is a darker peppered moth with this lighter peppered moth. Well, for this dark peppered moth, it has a characteristic to be darker. And this one has a lighter one. So, who do you think will survive? The darker or the lighter? Well, lighter gets a minus point because it is too light that the bird will easily see. So the darker gets 1 more point, and the darker one can blend in with the tree. When something blends in with the tree, it's called a camouflage. So it gets 2 points. The darker moths win. So they'll not be eaten by the birds, but the lighter moths will be eaten by the birds. And then the darker moths will have a bigger family, and lighter moths will decrease, and darker ones will increase. Now let's take a little example. You have a cactus in this desert. And this advantage is when something gets like a better way. The darker pepper moth could actually survive. That's its advantage. You see this cactus over here? It can survive in the desert. What about this bird? Can it survive? Nope. No, birds. You do not belong here. Well, the cactus has an advantage over the bird because the cactus can actually survive in the desert. So, the cactus has an advantage over the bird. Now, should we get a little hint of the next episode? No sleeping yet. No. Wake up. Well, some animals sleep during the winter. That is the only hint you're gonna get for the next episode. You have to watch the entire next episode once it's out. That's the end of today's video. Hope you guys had lots of fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.